Hi all. Today we'll be discussing on I2C in LPC2148 and I have referred electronics wing link and it is given in the slide. So I2C is a serial bus interface protocol and it is a two-way interface protocol. It has got an handshaking concept also. Means you have an acknowledgement bit to intimate if the transmission is a success or a failure. And here master slave mode is followed, the concept is followed, and like master always initiates transmission and slave will respond to the queries sent by the master. And the two lines used for the data communication is the data line and another one is the clock line. And the two types of data transfer is from master transmitter to slave receiver, and on return slave transmitter to master receiver. So this is a byte oriented protocol and has got 4 operating modes. So master will be operating in transmitter and receiver mode, and again slave will be operating in transmitter and receiver mode. And LPC248 has two I2C interfaces. One is I2C0 and I2C1. So further, it has got a programmable clock to support say flexible I2C transfer rates, data transfer rates. And again 4 pins, 2 for each of the I2C0 interfaces available. So thank you.